sawmill today, I thought of an old friend who'd long gone away. He took to traveling when he was just 17, and I stayed at home with the family. A collector of dreams was my old friend. He talked about the times yet to come. I took to working at the Telluride Sawmill, and I've been there since I turned 21. The river keeps rolling past the South County line, and I'd love to roll with it, but I've run out of time. Years roll by like the logs on the river, and I don't often think of my old friend. We were kids growing up in the Rockies, when the mountains were young and so free. He was my friend and my equal, though in years he was younger by 3. We grew up in the usual fashion, never wanting to grow up at all. I found a family, he found the rails, and he left on the train for St. Paul. The river keeps rolling past the South County line, and I'd love to roll with it, but I've run out of time. Years roll by like the logs on the river, and I ain't getting no younger. Mr. Preacher, won't you give me an answer? 'Cause I just can't go on this way. I'm getting old and I don't feel so good. Have I just been wasting my time? Telluride, have I just been wasting my time?